Okay, I got this several days ago, but it's time to have an unboxing, I think you guys call it, or whatever. But I've been wanting to do this, but I need to clean my office up a little bit. I think I know what this is. But the box looks awful thin for what I thought I was getting. We'll see. Open sesame. Ha. What is it? Any ideas? Oh! Yep. Wow. Okay. It is see if this will come out. I don't know if you can read this. It is the Wolverine film to digital movie maker. Fully automated apparatus to digitize 8mm or Super 8 movies up to 5-inch reels into digital videos. Standalone machine, no computer, no software or drivers required. Playback the digital movies to TV. All right. So I'm wanting to convert them to MP4, which I think I can do, because I want to put all my old Super 8 movies I made in Vietnam. I want to put those on YouTube. Hi. How are you, buddy? And there's more, but there's just a few of the movies I got. Plus, I got movies that my dad had taken years ago. Believe it or not, I've got on 8mm my cousin jumping off the Mackinac Bridge. Now, it's not going to be as dramatic as you think, but when we get to it, I'll definitely show it. So let's continue the unboxing. I want to not wreck the box. Don't know why. Oops. Okay. Wolverine film to digital movie maker user's manual. Oh, we're going to need that. Ooh, look at this. Here is a reel. Oh, yeah. So, how do we get it out without wrecking it? Ah. Okay. That's split in two pieces. So I'm going to clean my films before I try to do them. I've got some that I did years ago. Okay, set the box over here. I'm thinking this is the cords. Oh, there's a thing to clean film. Yep. Here is a power transformer. What do we got here? We got tells me what the input is. Output 12 volts, okay. 1500 milliamps, that's 1.5 amps, I think. Electricity's not my specialty. Let's not lose this stuff. Boy, it's a lot smaller. I guess I was thinking it was going to be bigger. The pictures look a lot bigger on the internet. Okay, let's get you unloaded here without wrecking you. I guess if I rip a hole in now. I don't know what kind of warranty this has got. Oh, it's got something. Okay. In the back, USB. It's got a thing for an SD card. 12-volt TV out. Okay. I think we're going to just go right straight to SD cards. Okay. That's probably the biggest reel that you could put on there. I got a feeling my big reels aren't going to work on it. That one's empty. Let's see. Yep. Those is not going to work. That's okay. I got smaller ones. Yeah, this is the size I'll need. All right, so I'll probably have to transfer that. Wow, I got lots of little ones there. This will be interesting. All right, so we'll sign off for now. I'm going to read the instructions. So this is how it operates. It takes a picture one frame at a time and then saves that on an SD card. Oh, look out, Trevor. Dog's moving the camera on me. So supposedly when it gets to the end, it stops. I didn't realize how many films I got, but I got a lot of them. And also they only it only takes 5-inch reels, so I've got a bunch of stuff here on larger reels. And I got some on smaller reels too. But we'll see how this works out. There's a picture of my young wife on there. And my children. Memories. This is 1966. It's my cousin Dick and my cousin Ken. We were at the Mackinac Bridge. We'd driven all night. We all worked afternoons. We drove all night from Pontiac to get up here. I think we thought we were the monkeys or something. I was 18 years old. There's Dick. As you can see, this was taken on 8mm, and it's a little jumpy. So I haven't, I don't know if I've done any of the Super 8 yet. Since I started doing this, I had COVID, and it's kind of curtailed my fun stuff, but I will get to it. There's Ken. Oops, that hurt my feet. That's what he's saying. Oh, Well, look how high Dick's feet are off. And he's asking, is it too far? And I'm saying, no, it's not too far. That's a wonder he didn't break his leg. Thank God he didn't. I think that came from some commercial that was on TV. That's me. All right, hey, thanks for watching. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe. So there's just a little bit more to go here, so God bless. Thanks for watching.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm never mind. I'm meeting a client here. Do you think we could maybe have lunch? Yes.
So it's running out. See what happens. Oh, it didn't shut off. I guess you gotta shut it off. Okay. I can live with that.